and welcome. Today, it really is my honor to present to you a very talented artist all the way from Mumbai, India. Her name is Grishma Mehta, and she is the founder of Kriya Art Academy. She has tried art and painted on multiple mediums, but her favorite kind of art is 3D art. She is now an Ekal Indie Art Ambassador. Thank you so much, Grishma Mehtaji, for coming to us all the way from Mumbai, India. Welcome to Lokwani. Namaste.
Namaste, Ranjini ma'am, and it's my pleasure. And thank you so much to you because we both are from different time zone, and still you manage our meeting. That's really admirable. You are so dedicated to your work. It seems like that. and
Thank you.
and I also want to thanks to Jarna because she made me a part of Ekal in the art, and all the volunteers are doing great job. That is for a noble cause. That really commendable.
Thank you so much. I'm also from Mumbai originally, so it's really a pleasure
Really,
to
that's really great.
connect with
Okay.
Krishna ji here, so feel a really fellowship with you, so
Yeah.
what a pleasure. So art, how did that happen? I know that most Indians don't take on art as a primary vocation. So how did you become an
Yes.
artist and how did you start teaching art?
Actually, I'm a commerce graduate and I never been to any art institute or a university to learn art because I'm a self learner. And for me, art is not just a book or a subject that you can read or you can learn or you can mugify it. You have to, art will born from your imagination, from your observation. So you and everybody has hidden artists inside themselves. You have to bring it up. Once you feel the essence of art, you will incline towards the art, and then it will become your passion. So like that, when I was very small, I really fascinated with the colors of nature, and I like to collect the small things like colorful pebbles and dry leaves and dry flowers with the different shapes. I always like to observe that things, and I create my own imaginary leaves and flowers, and I put it them into my art book, something like that. So slowly, my hobby became my passion, and I started my classes of named Kriya Art.
Wonderful. So it looks like nature and God themselves were your teachers, and that's really
Yeah, it's
somebody
true. That's
mentioned
true.
that the God is the greatest artist because God has created, Mata Rani has created this beautiful world
Beautiful world, right? Hundred
around us.
percent
That is so
right.
spectacular. Now, even though you never learned art, you are teaching art. So, I mean, I'm always
Yes, I am.
puzzled, that is it natural or can it actually be taught? And how did you learn how to teach when you have never learned?
Um, it is a famous Hindi idiom that ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है. So I started my teaching when I was just 15. At that time, I had very handful of students, and I make them to do some creative activities like finger painting or vegetable printing or some coding, etc. But slowly and steadily, I get many students, and I started my own classes named as Kriya Art classes. And I can proudly say that till now I taught more than 500 kids. So when they achieve something into the art field, I really feel that I won, and my feelings is just like आज मेरे ऊपर है आसमान नीचे है.
Oh,
But as a teacher, I can say that you are not only teaching your students, you are also acquiring knowledge from them. You are also getting many new ideas from them. And this is really good source of learning also. So I always make my student to observe the thing. I never say them to do copy work. So I always encourage them to observe the thing, to do the thing of your imagination. It's not compulsory that you have to do the tree only green, or you have to do the clouds blue only. You can do it anyhow as you want to. And your imagination is only your limitation. So and art don't have any limitation. It's beyond your limit, your observation. You can, there is no boundary for art.
Okay. So
You
you're saying
can,
what you're doing is more inspiring them to explore their imagination rather than
yes,
really
right,
teaching them techniques. Probably you teach some techniques, but more the focus is on the imagination. Would you say that?
100%, right, yeah, yes,
Uh,
right,
that is
Arvind.
really
Mm.
beautiful. Has any of your student done something that has made you very proud?
Yeah, many of my students won some school competition, some college competition, and many of them are in the field of art also. It's a really proud moment
Wow.
for me.
There are now people are, I think life has changed a little bit that people are taking art as a profession now, right? And
Right, right. Yes, it's really changed before 10 years, and now it is totally different. The parents are also understanding that art is a field. You can take that field as a future. You
yeah,
can create your future from the
from
field
the
of
art.
art. Right.
Oh, that's
Yes.
fantastic. Now, I read in your resume that you even are amongst our India Art ambassadors, one of the only ones who has taught Bollywood celebrities kids. I'm always so curious about
Yes.
that. Could you tell us about our to our viewers? What is that experience like, and who are the kids you're teaching?
Actually, for me, all the students are same. But yeah, I'm teaching some Bollywood kids also, and they are just like Aishuman Khurana's both son and daughter, and Abhijit Sawant, a great singer, their kids, and many more TV actresses like Ravi Gupta or Rakshanda Khan. All of their kids is my student, and they all are fabulous. And special is the celebrities are also very excited to send them for the art class. They also want their children to learn something new, something excited from the art. And I never say my students to do this work or do that work. I always make them to observe something, and I just guide them. Just observe the thing, just imagine the thing, and then I guide them how to put your imagination onto the page.
Right.
This is just my role.
Yeah,
I know I never told them, okay, make this only, make that only. They
right.
can create what they want to
Sure.
do. It's my duty to say them
Guide.
how to put your imagination onto the
I'm
page.
hearing that over and over again. Imagination, imagination, and creativity. That is
Right.
really fantastic, Grishma ji. That is really
Mhm.
wonderful, and good to know that the celebrities are also supporting. I guess they are artists, so I guess for them they understand the value of
Yeah, yeah,
art and
this is,
create.
yeah, they are artists, they are acting, and acting is also an art,
Big,
so they are
beautiful.
also artists. Yeah.
Right, right. I was going to ask you, so that now that you've been in COVID times, I know Mumbai has been a little bit hit quite a bit by COVID. How have you been spending your time? How has that affected you?
Actually, yeah, that is really bad thing that we are suffering in Mumbai. The highest cases of COVID, so it's really some bad news. But we are doing our entertainment from the home only. I'm taking my online classes. I took many online workshops also of painting and different types of painting, and we are just enjoying our lockdown time, yeah, with the family and with
Family, yeah.
the
And I see a lot of paintings behind you. When was this created? Was it a COVID creation?
yeah, yes, yes, you are 100% right. This many of them are just due to the COVID, because I'm totally free. I'm not going for my classes, and totally free, so I can I can express my thoughts to the painting, because painting is also a mode of keeping the diary.
Sure.
So when you feel something, when you want to say something, you can express it through the painting. So
Yeah,
yeah,
that
so I did many of them, many paintings in the COVID also.
wonderful. Now, 3D art is something that you're fascinated by. So,
Right.
could you tell us a little bit about it? And I saw one of your pictures that I have put also in this video right in the beginning, which is a Bharatanatyam dancer jumping out of the frame. So, would love to know about 3D painting. And I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer, so whenever I see those pictures, I get very excited. So, I would love to know what
Wow,
your
wow,
thought
that's
was.
lovely. That's lovely. I really admire you. You are so much talented.
Oh, no, no, hardly,
But
hardly, hardly.
okay, so 3D painting, actually, I always fascinated with the light and shadow, and 3D painting is also a mode of affection of light and shadow. So it's just a 2D painting, but it the create the effect of 3D on the mind of viewer. When you see, you can feel the some object is floating on the paper, or something is coming out from the frame, or something is very deep into the paper. They all are just 2D drawing, but when you make the shadow and the light source, it it make you feel that it is a 3D. And art is just like the 3D art is just like you. It is not like what you see. It is like what you make them to see. That it is a 3D. You create that drawing in that
Illusion.
way. Okay, you feel, yeah. It is just an optical illusion,
Mhm.
nothing else. And the Bharatanatyam dancer is coming out from the frame. It's my imagination that art doesn't have any boundaries. The artist can come out of the frame and they can let that is the my
Yeah, I completely
imagination.
agree. You cannot put a dancer in a frame, even though you often
Yeah.
see most of the dancers in pictures. So
Right,
certainly,
right.
leaping out of the frame was a very, very beautiful, thought that I saw from your picture. So very, very beautiful. And I saw that there was some behind you. I see Mahamuni Jain's image as well. Again, is
Right.
there a lot of light and shadow in that? Is that something that you want to talk about a little bit for us?
Yes, I'm just talking about that only. Okay, light source. I mean, the light and shadow is fascinated me always, and I like to do the shading and realistic drawing. So it is a realistic drawing of metal statue of Mahavir Bhagavan, and light source is coming on their face. So it is create different shades on their face and their body. You just feel the peace is coming out from that painting. It's really admirable.
Sure. Actually, I mean, grateful to artists like yourself who have kept all these images in our minds forever and ever. I mean, whether it's the Buddha, nobody has ever seen the Buddha or Mahavir
Right.
Bhagwan, but it is through the vision of the artist that we have kept
Yeah,
it
this is
going.
my vision of God.
Sure, sure, sure. No, thank you for that. No, I think that is really fantastic. And now you have been so kind to be an Ekal Indie Art Ambassador. What does Ekal Vidyalaya, why were you attracted to Ekal? And for those of you who don't know, it is an organization that brings education to 100,000 remote rural villages where these children really have no opportunity for education. And Indie Art, for our viewers, is a competition that was organized by Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of USA, where we were using this COVID time to spur on the creativity of people while at the same time supporting digital literacy in our villages. So, Grishma ji, tell us what attracted you about Ekal.
My curiosity towards art always encouraged me to join the different activity related to art. And Ekal Indie Art is doing the same in the big scale and with the for the noble cause. So it is just like Sone Pe Suhaga that you can also learn from them, you can teach from them, and I believe that the best gift you can give to someone is your time and your knowledge. so I can share my knowledge to not only to the student of India, but also from different region and from different country. And I can also learn from many artists of different regions. So it is really good an opportunity for me, and I'm really looking forward for my workshop. So
So tell us more
I'm
about the
really
workshop.
excited for it.
You're doing 3D in the workshop, is that right?
Yes, my workshop is on the 9th August, and I will teach them the 3D art. So I want to tell all the participants, please join as fast as you can, because I will show you how to do 3D art step by step. So they can make artwork on that day, but after that also they can make their or imaginative 3D art pieces. So it will really help them to go forward.
Beautiful, beautiful. And I want to tell you that actually in Mumbai, very close to you, near in Palghar district, we have a lot of Ekal schools. And so maybe you are the one Indian art ambassador that I can request to actually, I hope you would be interested to go visit those schools and teach those children as well who are very underprivileged.
Sure, sure. It will be my privilege when the COVID get over. I'll
Yeah.
really go to the Palgar and I want to teach them also. So I'm really excited when I can go to there and I can teach to them. Really want to.
So sweet. So, and maybe we can get a picture of you doing that once you're doing it and let us share it with our other Indie Art ambassadors so that they can see what our Ekal children are capable of. I think those children are very talented artists. And so I look forward to that as well. So, what advice do you have for artists, for your students? What do you tell them all the time?
I just want to tell them, when there is a will, there will be the way, because jahan cha hai wahan raah hai. So as I never went to an institute, but still I can come out with this many art pieces. So if you try, you can also go further. There is no limitations and no boundaries for art, or no boundaries for anything. The knowledge, the study, the knowledge, that doesn't have any boundaries. You can go forward and move forward, and it is a golden opportunity for all the participants, because they are taking part in the workshop. They can learn also from the workshop, and even they can contribute also for the poor children. So it is a double opportunity for them. So I request all the participants to join as fast as they can.
So maybe in the future you can organize this for India as well. We can take your help to get the Indian children to take part in something like India Art in the future. So maybe we'll work with
100.
you to make that happen as well. So that now
Yeah,
that you've
yeah.
seen how the American side has done this. So I wanted to ask you, I know COVID is a tough time. Maids, I mean, I don't know, how is life different? I mean, I don't know. We don't have maids
Yes.
here, but life in India is different. So any parting thoughts on that?
Yes, for all the Indians, the maid is main important member of our family. So it is very difficult to survive without maids. For public of the peoples of USA, they all are able to manage their work without maids. But in India, it is very difficult to manage the work. So I'm looking forward that I can call my maid as soon as possible. But right now it is not, it is difficult to call the maid,
Yeah.
so I manage it by myself only.
And I heard that the government is helping them and you are continuing to pay the salaries. And so they are
Yes,
being
yes,
supported so that, so they are okay right now. So, but you're looking forward to
yes, the
getting there.
government are taking all the efforts to for the
Wonderful.
maids and all the poor public, so they don't have to worry for anything.
God bless. Thank you for letting us know that because we are always very concerned as to how these people. I know some of them went back to their villages and all of that. I know in Ekal also there were many villagers who left the village and but now they are back and we are really trying to promote entrepreneurship in the village so they don't have to
Right.
come and be labor in the city. So we are working on that as well. Thank you so much, Grishma ji, for your time. I really appreciate it, and it's so wonderful to connect with a fellow Mumbai IT. So, फिर कभी when we come
It's
to Mumbai, we will definitely connect up. And thank you so much for giving your
It's
time.
my immense pleasure to talk with you. Thank you so much, and thank you to Ekal Indie Art to make me a part of that big organization. I'm really looking forward to, and I want to involve more and more activities of Ekal Institute.
Great.
That
Thank,
will be my pleasure.
thank you. I will
Thank you
introduce
so
you
much.
to our Ekal team in Mumbai, and they will reach out to you, and we would love to have you involved. All
Sure,
right.
sure, sure. It will be my pleasure.
Mangalam Shubham. God
Okay.
bless you. Thank you so much. Take care.